not what I want to do in my business. I want to rank products and help people make money. Amazon just generally doesn't want you to win. It's very easy to run an ad on Amazon, but it's very hard to run an ad profitably. And that's exactly where Stone's Goods steps in. Okay. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Sean Stone, founder of Stone's Goods. We run spillover commerce for a select number of brands. If you want to learn more about us, hit the link in the description below. Anyways, I wanted to answer a very specific question today. Why is Hatch the best seller in their category? They're selling $2.9 million in the last 30 days. And how are they doing it? Because their number one competitor and the number two in their category is Echo Glow, which is owned by Amazon. This is an Amazon product. Their Amazon PPC budget is probably $0, and they're still getting beaten by this great company called Hatch. So today we want to look at what they're doing, why they're doing it, and how they're winning. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Helium 10, and we're going to look at Cerebro and just ask ourselves, well, what are they spending money on? Where are they advertising? What are they doing? How are they winning? While we do that, we'll notice, they advertise all over the place. Their brand is well known, but they're not so well known that there aren't competitors selling dice green chilies with the same brand name. So there's definitely that's working against them. They also obviously are up against Echo Glow, which is really challenging. I obviously don't envy them. And if we look up something like nursery nightlights, they're probably not thriving there either. Like they are thriving there, but they're probably spending a lot of money. They've got a lot of low price competition. Like look at this, $21.99 versus $69, $29.99 and top rated and owned by Amazon. Like you got to really try to do something that well. So we're going to sort by search volume. We'll notice obviously that the brand name comes up. So they're crushing it on their brand name. That's a clue. They're also doing quite well. So let's look at where they're advertising. Let's go sponsored rank 1 to 10. And we'll do a minimum search volume of 2,000 searches a month. And they are only advertising on 230 keywords. And some of them are really like random category keywords like baby and baby toys. So, if they were spending $2,000 a month on each one of these keywords, they still wouldn't be spending that much money relative to how much they're selling. Again, $2.9 million last 30 days. Like if you were just an Amazon brand, you would not be spending that much money here. And so that brings us to spillover commerce. What they're doing, in our opinion, is they're leveraging spillover commerce and they're leveraging meta ads to their Shopify website. And if we search Hatch on the Facebook ads library, so it's just after Cyber Monday, but they still have 74 ads running. And they're sending all kinds of profitable traffic to their Amazon or to their Shopify store and getting lots of people to buy gifts and absolutely crushing it. And that's what is leading to their incredibly high branded search, which also is leading to a lot of sales on that branded search. Ultimately, it's what's leading to them selling a lot of product, and it's what is leading to them winning on Amazon and on their own website. So if you want to learn more about how spillover commerce works, hit the link in the description below. We've got a quiz you can fill out. We've got a bunch of other things you can test out or contact us. My name's Sean Stone. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll talk to you soon.